Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. Today I'll be making sesame chicken. It's not a traditional Chinese dish, but one that is often found at American Chinese restaurants. The chicken is crispy, sweet and sour, with a delicious sesame flavor. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down below in the description box. First, pat chicken thighs with paper towels to dry them. Cut them into 1-inch small cubes, and let them marinate for about 15 minutes. Adding the egg white helps to tenderize the meat. Make the cooking sauce by combining soy sauce, rice wine, rice vinegar, brown sugar, ketchup, water, and cornstarch. If you don't have rice wine, that's fine. Just substitute it with water. You can also use white vinegar to substitute rice vinegar. Just keep in mind that white vinegar tastes sharper and more sour than rice vinegar, so you may need to lower the amount. Then we need to coat the chicken using a mixture of 2 different types of flours. Here I'm using cornstarch and tapioca starch. The tapioca starch is very finely milled and very light. It will make the chicken extra crispy. You can also use rice flour for this purpose. Add half of the starch into the marinated chicken. Mix them. Dip the chicken into the starch and fully coat it. The chicken needs to be deep fried. Heat up the oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes, using medium heat, while quickly separating them to prevent sticking. Set them aside for about 5 minutes. The chicken needs to be deep fried twice. The first time will fully cook the chicken and make the meat tender and juicy. The second time will make sure the chicken stays crispy, even after coated with some wet sauce. Let the oil temperature go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the chicken a second time for about 1 minute. Remove the chicken and drain the excess oil. Cook the sauce on medium heat until it's goopy, like syrup. Add the chicken and some sesame seeds in the pan. Keep mixing until all the chicken is coated with this delicious sweet and sour sauce. Voila! We're done! Finally, decorate it with chopped scallions. Wow! Look at that beautiful shiny gloss. And listen to that crispiness. I know it's super tempting. Try it at home and let me know how you like it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!